Hey guys, it's your girl Tam. So today I am so excited to bring you some jewelry. I got in a new inventory this week. I want to show you here. I'll be showing you some pieces, and if you're interested in anything, they will be on the website. And if you use YouTube or Instagram as the promo code, you will receive 20% off plus free shipping. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me show you what I got in, and everything will be on the website. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, please put them down in the description in the comment section, and I'll be sure to read them and answer you back. Okay, so thank you for joining me, and let's go. So let's get started. Okay, so the first pair of earrings I want to show you because I got a pair for myself. This is my second time buying these earrings, and the first time I bought them, I gave them to somebody. I don't remember who. I think I gave them to my sister-in-law. Or my niece, I'm not sure, but they are super light and I love them. I put on this shirt my sister-in-law gave me, thank you Flo, and just to match these earrings, and I absolutely love them. These are very light, they're wood, and I love them. So let me see here how many I got here. So these are going on the website, these two. And again, this is what they look like. Again, thank you, sis, for my new shirt. And I am sipping on me a little Moscato today. Okay, so let me just open these here because I like to make sure that they're not damaged. Or anything like that. So, because I do have to take a picture of them. And thank you for unboxing with me today. These are the earrings here. And one of the, let's see, the tassels come off. They are super light, They are gorgeous. Okay, and they're made of wood, and these are little tassels. Aren't they pretty? Okay, so I got two of these. I had 3, but I kept one. Okay, so I gotta take pictures, and they will be on the website. All right, so that's these two. I gotta get a better view of this jewelry. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you are these really pretty wood earrings that I got in. Aren't they pretty? Let's see here. These are gorgeous. Let me see. This lighting is off today. Okay, so I got these in. Got these in several different colors. And they hang about 4 inches. They're 4 inches long. Aren't they pretty? Let's see. Gives you an idea how they look. Okay, these will be on the website. I got 2 of these, and if these sell well, I will order more. I got 2 of those. Okay, I got these in. Actually, that was like a fuchsia, but these are red. Got these in red. Let me show you what the red look like. So I got these in red. These are pretty. These in red. Okay, so they hang 4 inches. So pretty. Okay, so these will go on the website. All of these will be on the website. You go to TammySherelle.com, and I'll have also the link down in the description. Again, if you're on Instagram, use promo code Instagram. If you're on YouTube, use promo code YouTube, and you'll get 20% off plus free shipping. Okay, so we got a red pair, green pair, green. That's for you green lovers. It's so pretty. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and open it because nothing is like seeing it open. No, nothing's like seeing it open. Okay, so here are the green ones. Aren't they cute? Okay, so we got green, we got orange, and we have like a turquoise. And I'll show you those. Got 2 pair of each, and if they sell good, I'll order more. Because I think the supplier has a lot of these, so. And I'll try not to make this video too long. So. Okay, well we got orange. Aren't these pretty? I know somebody who loves this color. Her name is Donna. Donna Marie Reed. She loved this color. Okay, so again, they're 4 inches long. Let's see how they look. Okay, so I love long earrings, and I love hoops. So I'll be getting more of these if they sell well. I try not to go over 18, but they're from 10. They can range up from 10 to 18. They can range up to $18. Okay, so these will probably be. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the pricing yet, but it will be on the website. Plus, you get free shipping. Plus, you get 20% off if you enter those promo codes. Okay, TammySherelle.com. Okay, I got 2 of those. Oh, these are so pretty. These are so pretty. I know a few people who are gonna like these. Let's see. Oh, these are so pretty. I know a few people who are gonna like these. Who are gonna like these. Yellow, mustard yellow. Aren't they pretty? Okay. Okay. So I got 2 of those. Okay, and last but not least, I got these turquoise or teal. I guess they're like a teal turquoise color. They're absolutely pretty. And I'm probably gonna buy me a pair. They're pretty. It's the back of them. They come with this little support in the back, the little back, green back. Okay, these are pretty. Okay. Okay, so that's that. So I got the color earrings. Again, if this video is too long, then I'll make a part 2, okay? So these will be on the website, TammySherelle.com. Enter promo code Instagram or YouTube to get 20% off plus free shipping. Okay, so I got these from last week. I think I showed these last week, but I'm going to show them again this week. These are on the website. They're made, I think they said aluminum. I think that's what it was made of. This sounds like metal, but it has fur and a leopard design. They are so cute. Okay, so these will be on the website as well. I have two of these. Alrighty. And I did show a pair from last week. These are on the website as well. They're shells and they're about 4 inches long as well. Yeah, they're 4 inches long and they are super, super light. I love these. I had a lot of colors and this is the last color I had left. It's so pretty. Very elegant and very lightweight. Okay, these are the back of them. Okay. And if you have any special requests, send me a message from my website. Like if you're in a wedding or you have a special occasion, you need a certain type of jewelry. My supplier has so much jewelry, but of course I can't purchase everything, but I have access to it. So if it's something that you have, a special request, send me a message through my website, TammySherelle.com, and I'll see what I can do for you. Okay, so that's it with the, colored jewelry. I'm going to end this video, and the next video will be hoop earrings. So that will be part 2. Okay, for today's unboxing, and they will be the new hoop earrings that I got in. So stay tuned for that video, and thank you for watching. Again, TammySherelle.com. Save yourself 20% free shipping. Enter promo code YouTube or Instagram. Okay, and I appreciate each and every one, and I appreciate you guys for joining me. I appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day and tuning in to my video. And I hope you like the jewelry, and I'll continue to bring you more and more if you keep tuning in. Okay, and if depends on how things sell, I'll order more and more. Okay, so again, thank you, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and stay tuned for part 2, hoop earrings. Bye.